there's a north to changing. I'm the potter and the clay. On the canvas and the painter.
Hello, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So it's a back to school vlog and I'm going to be taking you guys along. So madam is about to start school for the third term and I want to go get some school supplies for her for school. So I hope you enjoyed the video with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and kindly enjoy the rest of the vlog.
The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered on kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, upper knee, negro like branches did on Daphne, turn living into art. Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa.
This licky licky my sister bought it in the market. It reminds me of the East. Okay, so when I used to I will show you. So when I was in the East, when I was a teenager, I used to go to the farm to farm. We see this when this thing has come out, we see it, okay, and we'll plug it and licking it on as we are going to farm. Like it can telephone somebody. It can telephone, so if you lick it well, it will just telephone you, drink water, you continue farming. So this thing has a lot of memories for me. And if you know Ololowi, that this thing Ololowi, you know that one, or Ako. If you know those words, let me know in the comments section. Alright guys, I'm gonna be enjoying this with water and my tea. This is what I will have today. This is my food for today. Yeah, later. Morning fam. How are you all doing? You cannot show yourself, you are naked. It's a back to school morning. The time now is 5:32. So madam is going back to school. She wants to go to school on Monday, but whenever I was not prepared yet. The teacher had to call me to tell me, "Ma, please let me come to school. We miss her." Blah blah blah. I was like, because me, I was planning on for her to start to school upper Monday, but since the school called, and I was like, okay, let me just do sharp. So anyway, welcome to a continuation vlog, because I think yesterday I did vlog small things about me buying things for her for school. So this is the morning of the next day. Come and baffle. Alright guys, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I want her to brush her teeth and give her her bath. I'm making her lunch for her. She's having sweet potato and
No, yam.
it's not yam, it's sweet potato. Sweet potato. Give me that thing. What's that?
I'll find it.
Let me see. Licky thing. It's okay. She's having sweet potato and maybe chicken or egg, depending. Anyway, let's go shower. Watch this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have no share, please for comment, and yeah. Guys, I have lost another weight. Like I'm not in 69.50. Why are you peeing there? Can't you pee inside your toilet? Like yesterday, I did fasting. Will I call it fasting or water fast? I don't know what to call it. But I did not eat food like my egg or anything yesterday. Yesterday in the morning, I took warm water, 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar, and a little, what I call it, maybe half teaspoon or thereabout, I didn't measure it, of chai seed. So I took that, and in the morning, after taking that, I drank a little bit of my cranberry, no, mixed berry tea, and I didn't eat anything again. Like I was not feeling hungry, I was not feeling anything. Like my stomach just closed till I got to my sister's place that yesterday, and I had a little bit of water because I was tasty, water and a little bit of wine, just a sip of wine. I didn't eat anything again. I came back home. I was not feeling hungry. She got this licky licky. I licked some of the licky licky. If you know what is licky licky, yeah. I licked some of the licky licky, and I was not still feeling hungry. Like my stomach was just closed. Then before I slept, I had to like, it's okay, you need to eat something. So before I slept, I ate watermelon and mango and drank lots and lots of water, and that was it. That's what I ate yesterday. Yes, baby.
Do you eat my watermelon?
It's inside the fridge. So that's what I ate yesterday, and this morning I'm not still feeling anything like hunger. But anyway, today I'll just try to eat something. Maybe go back to my egg food. My goal is to hit that 65. And today is 30th of April. So initially my previous video I said I wanted to hit 65 by 30th of April, but I am happy I removed myself from 70, so I'm now in 69. So hopefully, finger crossed, by May, before the ending of May, I will definitely hit my goal. So I'll be updating you guys either in the videos, or maybe I'll snap when I hit it. I'll snap it and I'll post it in my community. Yeah, so too much talking. Let me shower this mother.
Masterpieces take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo. Lead the muses like a caballo. All the colors layered, kaleidoscope. You're a sculptor, burning negro like bridges.
I just finished my workout now. I'm doing a challenge. So I just finished my workout. Madam has gone to school. School has resumed. So I want to go and shower, and I don't know what to do after I shower. Yeah, I have plates to wash, clothes to fold. This is my tea. Today is 30th of April. Yeah, so let me go and shower. See you guys maybe in the shower, because I need to wash my hair. My hair is all soaked with sweat. 3 days of sweating, so I need to take it down and wash the sweat out.
Life's the Louvre and you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. I live art, I breathe art. I myself, I am art. Artists will become what they create. I live art, I breathe art. I myself, I am art. Artists will become me close where it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you
Done. I don't have skincare again. My skincare don't finish. I'm just going to use this vitamin C syrup. Like, my skincare has finished. I know it's important to buy skincare, but right now I'm using my money to do some small most important things. Some small most important things. So but anyway, this one still works. After I add the vitamin C syrup to enter, and I'm going to be using this mask. Okay, it's a moisturizing sheet mask. Honey, this one. I think South Korea face mask products are really nice. Okay, so rinse your face with warm water or toner. Gently unfold face mask and place it on your face. Remove the sheet for after 15 to 20 minutes and gently massage the remaining essence into your skin. No need to rinse out. So this is going to serve me as my moisturizer because this one don't finish. I need to buy a new one. Like Ulti Body is finished and the views are not giving and the penyaze is not coming. So the small penyaze I have, I'll use it to do most important thing. I know my skin is important, but right now, now who see full shop they alive go rub skincare, go do skincare now. That'll be so. So anyway, I'm super happy about my weight loss journey. Okay, like so happy. So we're going to wait for 15 minutes. So this one, I press everything. Do you notice that here in our hands is always dark? See here in your hands is always dark. This place, our hands here is always dark, and the knee too is always dark. Like, I don't know why. Why is that? So I'll see you guys if this is my hair. It's giving dreadlock style, but it's not dread though. It's just my braids. I'll soon lose itself. By next month, I will lose it. Yeah, but anyway, I have done all my routine. I wanted to take you guys along, but my battery, my phone was doing hot, so I had to allow it to cool down. So just doing hot, so I had to allow it to cool down. But anyway, this is me outfit check. Skin is skinning. All right. That's the end of today's video. I don't have anything much to do. As I said, I want to go and wash plates and fold clothes. No need of taking you guys along now. So I need to go and buy drinking water. That's it. I'll just wait for my dad to come back from school. And my day is ended. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this small vlog preparing my dad to school. just finished my workout, then did my shower and a little bit of ranting. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Loves. Bye. Bye.